Good evening, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to work on an idea that we've been looking at here for about almost 2 weeks now, and it's the idea that XLY is down into an area that we could look at this to have support. When you come back and you look at the overall trend in XLY, I think it's easy to look at the idea that it's an obvious pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and what I am trying to compare right here are these declines that we've seen previously similar to the decline that we're going through now? You can see the idea has given us a general area to hold support, and that's held for about the past 2 weeks. And if we start trading above 110.35, that's going to cue up the idea that we can come over and take a few other trades. Now, if you like the idea of trading it straight through XLY, you absolutely can, but the biggest prevailing component of XLY is Amazon, and Amazon is extremely interesting here because we have a daily squeeze very similar to what you saw back here when the stock was trading closer to 1600. So we trade 1600, we have this march into 1763, and now we've been consolidating at 1700. Is the stock getting ready for another run higher? Well, I don't know the future for sure, but I know that if XLY starts to peak above those highs, then the idea that this signal will go with the prevailing trend could be very helpful. Now, if that goes higher, two other places you could consider coming in and picking up bullish positions would be Home Depot. Of the names to pick, I think this might be the last of this grouping, but it's the next heaviest component inside XLY, so it's worth looking at some levels inside that one. But I actually think that Netflix might be worth a little bit more of a bullish take. These are all ideas that I've started out with partial positions, so if tomorrow is something, a little bit more down in the indexes, I can work around it and I don't have to exit the position. But if you can look at it with the idea that as long as those lows hold, and if you start getting above here, well then that's when Netflix has, some interesting opportunity into earnings. So I've started small with this. If XLY can hold the lows, if we start seeing these previous highs being cleared, I think they're going to be names that are worth adding into, and hopefully gives you some good trade setups. So I hope that helps. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you at the next free video. One other thing I want to make sure you guys were aware of is the Simpler Summer series that we will be doing this summer. It'll be starting on July 10th, and it will include Carolyn, Boroden, Bruce, myself, and Raghee, and we're going to be going through a couple different sessions on this, teaching what we use in the current market environment, how it ties into our trading plan, and answering any questions that you may have on how you can make this work for you. So if you want to spend some time this summer getting up to speed in all of the various things we study, I think this will be an excellent fast track to that information, and I hope to see you there.